I'm here in the passenger footwell of my Jaguar XKR to show you how easy it is to change out the blower for your air conditioner. I've already removed this, there's a little like felt panel that goes in here. I've already removed it. There's just a couple clips on it, like up here on this front edge, and it just kind of tucks up in there. So it's easy to remove. But some people might be intimidated by the blower itself. I'm looking at the viewfinder from a really funky angle here, so it's kind of hard for me to see. But this is the blower, and it's just held in with 3 screws, or actually they're Phillips, but I'm going to use a 8mm socket on them. So there's one there, there's one over here in this there's a little channel like thing, and there's one on the back, and it's exposed. So it's real simple to do. So you just hope this is in focus. Let me check on that. All right, this should be in focus now. So the 3 screws, there's one here, and one back there. So you just take the nut driver, undo that, and I'm seeing a little bit of water in there, which is a common issue with these cars because the drain gets clogged up. And here I'm going to use an 8mm socket to get this one on the back, because it's back behind here and you can't really get to it with the nut driver. A stubby screwdriver might also work. I want to put the camera down to do this. Oh yeah, before I do that, I've got to pull out this little connector here. It just pulls straight down. That's just the power for the blower. This is a lot easier when I'm not trying to hold a camera, but now I'm taking out that screw in the back, and then there's one more. It's right in here somewhere. There it is. And that unscrews. And I'm trying to hold the camera. Oh, yeah, there's some water. So there it comes. Now the whole thing comes out. There it is. So there's the blower motor. And putting it back in is just putting it back in just like I took it out. You put it in, put the 3 screws in, and you're done.